Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the fish ruins in Abyss Roblox. So opening the fish ruins is the only way you can unlock the ancient treasure. But first, to unlock the ruins, you need to have this forgotten key. So this key can be obtained if you already complete the Kraken quest 4, which tells you to catch 2 lionfish, catch a mahi fish, and also I forgot the other one, but you need to catch some fish, and after that you'll get the key. So after this, you can just go to the fish ruins in here. You can just go straight from here. So this is where you spot. This is the fish ruins. Don't forget to hold the forgotten key to unlock it. And this is where the fish ruin is. And I'm going to unlock it in here, and as you guys can see, there's a treasure inside. So I'm going to interact with the gate to unlock it. Okay, now the key is in, and let's see what happens. Okay, so now the fish ruin is open, and let's see what's inside. Let's go inside and open the ancient treasure. What we'll get? Okay, so I received some cash, 100-star shards, and also some potions in here. So there are lots of new items in here that you can get. So I got this speed potion also with some star shards. So that's all. That's how you can open and or unlock the ancient the fish ruins. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.